know if y'all believe in me, but I told y'all Sacramento State was coming. And my picture come up. I told y'all Sacramento State was coming. And I think y'all just was like, man, he on that Reebok stuff or whatever. They just signed a four-star wide receiver. They put him away from Ole Miss, LSU, and UNC. Your homeboy, promo,
Yep.
Bill Belichick. They pulled him away from him. And was that Lane Kiffin? So Sac State got a player from the greatest coach of all time and one of the best offensive minds of all time, and LSU, a powerhouse in the SEC. No, they Sac State. Hey, they coming, y'all. They are coming. Stay
Hey,
Yeah,
tuned.
hey, hey,
Go ahead.
Sacramento got that AI money, bro. They got
yeah.
the AI money, that IP
Yeah.
money
Hey, but
over there.
why you throwing slick shots at Belichick? I mean, he got a 4-star wide receiver from Colorado.
Took him out the backyard.
Hey, that's right. But just look at real quick what Sacramento State did. They already got this one dude that's like a four-star wide receiver. Now they got this dude, and they got one guy through transfer portal. They got this dude, and they got a quarterback, Jaden Rashada. So they kind of got a better roster than most cats, as far as quarterbacks and two wide receivers, than most teams out here now. With a five-star quarterback and two four-star wide receivers. So they making
What
moves
conference are
really
they in? What
quick.
conference are they in?
How long I couldn't even find it coming from. I ain't gonna
I
hold you.
think
I was looking for it. I couldn't find it.
I think they moved to the Mountain
That
West.
that's my
I
point.
think.
You can't even find the conference that they in. They
Yeah.
should do well.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I was gonna say. I don't
Exactly.
think that was a good look for this young man. Like, I mean, shout out to him, like Sac State. I mean, you got to start from somewhere. But I think a young man like this,
Nah,
he'll be in the transfer portal in 2 years because you're not
nah,
gonna get the notoriety that you need. Like the
not,
leading
not,
receiver in the NCAA played at San Jose State. He didn't get drafted. That's
yeah, that's
crazy.
true. Man, it's
Like,
true.
you know
And
what
Well,
I
the
I'm saying?
got you.
money
So
that
I'm with you.
that
With
money
Shaq
the
now.
money that they spending now, they can afford to stay 3 years now. They ain't gotta
Yeah,
rush
four
because
years. They
they
say
get
4
more
years now.
money. Yeah, they get more money now than you would if you was coming in as drafted
Yeah, fifth
being
round, seventh
drafted. I mean,
round.
yeah.
yeah,
Yeah,
when you
Northside
start
said it in the chat. Shout out to Northside. They in the big sky. So you know what I'm saying? So like what?
Hey, don't they? But don't they play? Ain't they on CU schedule this year?
who? No,
I don't
Sacramento State.
nah.
not at all,
What
not at
team is
all.
that? What team is that we play that sounds like them? It sounds like that. They're supposed to be pretty good.
Wyoming,
No,
we
not
got
Wyoming.
Wyoming. We have
Delaware State. Delaware State.
Delaware.
Yeah,
We have
Delaware.
Delaware
Yeah.
State.